Today we are going to start chapter 4 of your honeysuckle book, English Reader, and the name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So let us start with the chapter with segment Before You Read. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So, the chapter is about Kalpana Chawla, who was an Indian American. Indian American means she was born in India but she got citizenship of America later on. She was very famous woman as she became the first woman born in India to go into the space. She joined the international group of US Space Shuttle Columbia. But it was unfortunate that in the second mission in Columbia, she died, and this mission ended in tragedy. Not only she died, but all 7 members of the crew died. As you can see, a news report is printed in the beginning of the chapter, which tells us about the tragedy of this space shuttle, which breaks into flames, and all 7 members of the crew died with Kalpana Chawla. So let us start the chapter after getting to know the background of the chapter. We have already known the background of the chapter. What is the background of the chapter? It is about Kalpana Chawla and her life, and how her life ended in the space tragedy of US Space Shuttle Columbia. So let us start the chapter. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamt as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. Frontiers means borders. Kalpana Chawla says she could never think as a child in Karnal. She was born in Karnal, so there she could not think ever that she will go to space one day. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. It was enough for her that her parents allowed her to go to engineering college. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, against her great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. Her father was never in favor of higher studies, but still she went against her father, and against her father's wish, she did her bachelor's degree in science in aeronautical engineering, and after that she also did her master's degree, for which she went to United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. She went further in her studies. She even did her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. So she started her journey from Florida, and she participated in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia liftoff. This Columbia was space shuttle. So as her family and the staff of Kennedy Space Center both cheered her when Columbia Space Shuttle was taking off. Lifting off means taking off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. So basically, she was born in India, in Karnal, in Haryana state. But later on, she got the legal citizenship of US. So which we call as naturalized US citizen. As she was married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So Kalpana Chawla, being an astronaut, was a multi-talented woman. She knew many things. She was licensed to fly so many types of engines, not just one type of engine. She was also a certified flight instructor. She also qualified as a pilot, and then she finally applied for NASA's Space Shuttle program. And in 1994, finally, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. Astronaut is the one who goes to space. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, "I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on." So somebody when asked Kalpana Chawla how she feels being a woman and being in this type of field, this type of challenging field where one has to show a lot of bravery and courage. So she answers, whenever I pursued my studies or anything challenging, I never thought that I was a woman. Rather, I only thought of myself as a human being. I never thought that I was from a small city or a different country. And everybody around me always, they encouraged me. They always told me, Kalpana, you can do whatever you want to do. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips. For a price tag of about $56 million. So for the first time, when Kalpana Chawla went to the space in a space mission through the space shuttle Columbia, it was for 15 days and 16 hours and 34 minutes. And during this time, she could go around the earth 252 times. And the total distance while this she covered was 10.4 million kilometers. Once again, I repeat, students, it was a very long distance. It was for 10.45 million kilometers for covering the earth, going around the earth 252 times. The crew included this group which went for the Columbia Space Shuttle mission. This group included a Japanese, means a person from Japan, a Ukrainian astronaut, an astronaut from Ukraine. Ukraine is a country. The crew performed the experiments. So there in space they had to take so many experiments. And what was the experiment related to? The experiments were related to pollinating the plants to observe, to find out food growth in space, whether they can plant some seeds there, whether they can grow some food in space or not. And there they made so many tests for making the stronger metals, for making the stronger metals and faster computer chips. And all these experiments, it cost them around 56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. Saturday night, this news of the tragedy came that Columbia space shuttle was burnt. It broke into flames. Nobody could believe this news. People were shocked. All around the world, people were shocked on hearing this news. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, "She was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut." Her achievement is awe inspiring. So, when this news of tragedy came on that night, the people of Karnal, from where Kalpana Chawla belonged to, the people of Karnal spent sleepless night. They could not sleep. They were glued. Glued means they were sitting next to their television all the time in the hope that some news will come that Kalpana Chawla and all the crew members, all 7 crew members could survive. Survived means could be saved somehow and their lives are saved. They are in that hope. But alas, no news like that ever came, and we lost such a heroine of India who was such a brave lady, so courageous. A journalist appreciated her in these words. He said that it takes so much ability to be an astronaut. Anybody just cannot be an astronaut. A person need to know so many subjects to be an astronaut. The person has to be well versed in biology, astrophysics, astronautical engineering, and so on. Almost everything a person should know to become an astronaut. Therefore, we can say it is very difficult to find another person, another intelligent person like Kalpana Chawla. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the sky, had become an inspiration. So her life becomes an inspiration for so many. Inspiration means many people can learn so much from her life. In a message that she sent from abroad, the Space Shuttle Columbia, to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana sent a message to her college in Chandigarh, to the students of her college in Chandigarh, and the message was like this. Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." So she sent the message that the path to success surely exists. Success is not just in your dreams. If you work for it, surely you will get the success of your dreams. So, students, we can learn a lot from the life of Kalpana Chawla, that if we want